boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Kid G here with a song called Beautiful Thing. This is a young kid here, new generation country or so. We're gonna look at this song, no need for any capo, we're going clean here. We have 4 chords here. We're gonna look at the melody, but also with a strumming version here. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have C, G, A minor, and F, starting here with the C. That will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord here will be the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. We have A minor next, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we'll end with the bar chord, the F here. You place a bar on the 1st fret like this over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Gives this beautiful F, and that's the final chord here. We're gonna play the same thing here from the beginning till the very end. C, G, A minor, and F in that order. And we can choose to play melody or strumming. Let's take a look at the melody first. So the first C here goes like this. So what you really need to hold is just the 3rd fret on A string. Okay, you're gonna combine that or alternate that with the open G string. So you're gonna start with 3rd A, then open G, and back to 3rd A, then again 3rd A, open G, and 3rd A. So that's it, and it goes in this rhythm. I use my thumb here for the bass notes and index or mid finger for the top notes down there, because we're going to use pretty much the same kind of patterns here, just different grips. So that's the C part. The G goes like this. So what you need to hold here is the 3rd fret on E and 2nd on A. So you're going to play 3rd E, then open B, and 2nd A. Then again 3rd E, open B, and 2nd A. The same rhythm as the C, it goes like this. Then we have this A minor based thing here going on, perhaps the hardest thing in this song. You slide up to this position. Okay, so from the G to this. Okay, so that will be 5th on the E string, 3rd on the A string, and 5th on the G string. So take some practice there, but what I do when I go from the G here, I just keep my finger on my ring finger here, in this case on the E string, and just slide up to the 5th. And I follow with my little pinky down here to place that on the 5th as well on the G string. And then I just add with an index finger on my 3rd fret A string. So that's what I do from this to this. So that will be. So 5th on E, then 5th on G, and 3rd A. Again, 5th E, 5th G, and 3rd A. The same rhythm, it goes. And then we have the final F part left here. You're gonna play this. So that will be 1st fret on E string, 2nd on G, and 3rd on A. Then again, 1st E, 2nd G, and 3rd A. The same rhythm. So that's the end of the picking pattern here. The melody part, it goes like this. right, so you can play that from the beginning till the very end if you wish, but you can also play the strumming pattern here. Of course, we're gonna use now the full chords, the C, G, A minor, and F. So if we look at the C there, and since that is the first chord, one strumming around will be down, down, up, down, 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 down. It's a pretty long one, like this. So we can start with the first part. So we can play down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down. And then the second part will be down, down, down. And here I try to play the last part here, the 3 downs there. Bass notes there on the first down. Then top notes, the higher notes on the second down, and back to bass on the third down. So down, down, up, down. Somewhere in the mid here, mid strings, and then bass, top bass. That will replicate the melodies there since the patterns are bass here, and then an answering note on the top notes, and then back to a bass notes. So down, down, up, down, 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 down. You're gonna play one string around per chord in the order C, G, A minor, and F, and that will sound. KIDD G's Beautiful Thing. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.